Hi everyone, so we are back in the kitchen tonight and going to be doing something a little bit different, aren't we, T?
Yes, we are.
What are we doing, T?
Mushroom biryani.
Mushroom biryani from the new Pinch of Nom book, and also we're going to make a full Indian sort of fakeaway tonight. So we've got some chicken tikka we're going to do in the air fryer as well, and we've got some naan breads, and we've also made up a few little bits and bobs. So we'll show you what we've got and we'll show you how we're going to cook it. Okay, so quick rundown of the ingredients, team. What have we got?
Some garlic, some ginger, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, turmeric, chilli, tomato puree, 8 cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon, garam masala, ground coriander, coconut dairy-free milk, vegetable stock, turmeric, salt and pepper, juice of 1 lemon, onions, mushrooms, fresh coriander, fresh mint, some basmati rice, some vegetable stock, and we're going to add some chicken tikka.
Yep, there's my chicken. I've made that myself. That's chicken tikka spice with some natural yogurt, and that's been in for a couple of hours in the fridge marinating. So yeah, so we're going to throw all this together and we'll show you what we're doing. First thing I'm going to do is put the chicken tikka in the air fryer.
Right, I'm sauteing the 2 onions for 8 to 10 minutes until they're lightly browned and softened. Right, so now I'm going to add the garlic, ginger, chilies. Make sure you get all them chilies in. Coriander, cinnamon and garam masala.
You can't say garam masala, can you?
No, and cook for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add my tomato puree, lemon juice and the coconut milk. I'm going to give that a stir, mix it all in. Oh, it smells really nice. And that's just the first bit of it. And then I'm going to add the mushrooms. Give it a lovely stir, mixing all those mushrooms and all that beautiful flavours. And they are going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Right, so I'm going to add half of the mint and half of the coriander. Reduce the heat to low, and then I'm going to add the rice and put it on top of the mushroom. You scatter it on in an even layer all around the pan. Do not stir it. Once you've done that, you then scatter the cloves and the cardamom pods. The bay leaves. And the cinnamon stick. Pour the stock over the whole lot. And then add the turmeric. Season with salt. Cover, put the lid on it.
Behind you.
And then cook it for 25 minutes. Do not be tempted to stir it, just leave it. 25 minutes has gone, so what we've got to do now is turn it off and leave it to stand covered for 10 minutes.
Right, that's a good time to put the naan bread in the oven to warm up then, isn't it?
It certainly is. Right, so this should be cooked now. So now I'm going to remove the lid. That looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to remove the bay leaf, the cinnamon pod.
That's not a cinnamon pod, it's a cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick.
You have cardamom
and
pods.
the other bay leaf. And then I'm going to just sprinkle that, the mint and the coriander over the top. And then we're going to put it into our serving bowls and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all
gone. Right,
if you like the look of this recipe, you can find it in the new Pinch of Nom Comfort food book.
so there you go folks, there it is, one Indian Fakeaway Garlic Mushroom Biryani from the new Pinch of Nom Comfort food book, served with some chicken tikka, a nice raita and some naan bread, and that just comes in at an amazing 331 calories on Grow Everyday Balance. If you're following other diet plans, you'll need to work that out for yourselves. So you Weight Watchers and Slimming World folks. So there you go folks, that's us finished there. We're going to go and enjoy our Indian Fakeaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Till next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.